What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Sophie the Doll, and as you guys can see by the title, today is another mini Yeezy review. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family when you guys are ready. I would truly appreciate it. I do have some socials that you guys can follow and keep up with me on. I have an Instagram, which is at Crown and Curls. I do all types of curly hair tips, natural hairstyles. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and check it out. I also have a TikTok, which is the same exact name as my Instagram, that you guys can check out. And lastly, I have a clothing brand business. Now, who don't like clothes? I'll wait. So you guys can go ahead and check out my clothing brand at Tabitha305 on Instagram, or at www.tabitha305.com, which is my website. I promise you guys won't regret it, so go ahead and check it out. But anyways, guys, let's get right into this mini review. Okay guys, so we're going to be reviewing the Ochre, I believe that's how you pronounce it, but this is how it looks. Now, if you guys have watched my previous video that I made on the Onyx, you guys will know that this is actually my favorite color of Yeezy slides at the moment. It's just something about a neutral brown color that I just love. I feel like it goes really well against my skin complexion. Even if you're lighter than me, I feel like it goes really well on you as well. My sister is lighter than me and it looks great on her. So I'll definitely say that this is one of my favorite colors of the Yeezy slides. And as well as the details, as you guys can see, let's bring the brightness down a little bit. As you guys can see, there's some specks of like yellow, orange kind of tone on it. So that makes the shoe even more unique in my opinion. I mean, hey, neutral color with a hint of like a little bit of a brighter color. I am a little bit darker, so I do like my colors a bit bright and neutral. I feel like that's what best goes with my skin complexion, so this shoe is a definitely W for me. Kanye did something with these, and of course he has different colors as well. There is the Yeezy Slide Pure, which I will be doing a video on as well, which will be uploaded after this video, which you guys can stay tuned for. But this is how it looks. Okay guys, so let's get into sizing. So I wear a size 10 in women, and I wear a size 8.5 in men. So for me, I actually had to go a size up. I had the size 9, but the size 9 doesn't quite fit me. My heel was out in the back a little bit, so everyone suggested me that I just went up a size, so I got a size 10. So I will show you guys how the size 9 and how the size 10 looks in this video, and I'll be showing you guys that in the next clip so you guys can see a more detailed look on it. But I had to go up a size 9 due to my heel being out in the back. My personal opinion, I would personally prefer that the size 9 I would personally prefer that I had the size 9 because I like my slides or sandals to fit me a bit snug, regardless of the back. But I do know that that's not everyone's preference, and everyone told me I should go for a 10. The 10 to me is a bit bulkier. I mean, it is the same sandal, but because it's a size 10, you guys will see the difference. It looks a little bit puffier at the top. So personally for me, I like the size 9 fit. But and overall, what really fits me, like my whole foot in the shoe, is a size 10. So I would definitely say for me personally, going up to that size 10 was a better option, a better fit for me. So I hope that is kind of informative for you guys. Okay guys, so here is a quick little glimpse of me having two different sizes on. The left is a size 9 and then the right foot is a size 10. As you guys can see, on the left foot, my heel is out just a little bit, and compared to the other side where my foot is a bit more into the slide, like everyone was suggesting me. So this is a little bit of a better view of how the size 9 and how the size 10 looks. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, you can't deny. this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Let me know down below in the comment section if you had to go up a size or down a size in your Yeezy slides, if you do have one. And again, let me know what is your favorite pair of Yeezy slides. My favorite pair personally is the Ochre or Orchi, however you call it. This is my favorite pair due to the color and just the uniqueness of this colorway as well, with the hint of like yellow, orange type of tones. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. It is Sophie the Doll, and I'll see you guys in the next video.